Hello, 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 and congratulations on making it this far. I'm super excited to have you here. My name is Aminatu Abubakar. If this is the first time you meeting me, and I am going to be your instructor on how to create your own authority website or blog. A lot of the people we see today are just starters but not finishers. They are talkers but not doers in their life and businesses. I know you are not like these people, and that is why you are a finisher, a doer who wants something better for your life and business. So congratulations once again. I am actually going to help you create your own website that will establish you as an authority online, as well as help you promote your business even when you are sleeping. I know that sounds great and you will actually love it. And all this, as I said earlier, is for free. But I must add, this is not going to be easy. It requires you to work, as those who want the easy things end up having a hard life, and those who want the hard actually have an easy life. So if you want something easy, understand that this is actually not for you. Click the blue button below this video which says create your free account and fill in the form so you can have immediate access to your free account. When you are successful, just shoot me a message in our Facebook group saying account created. Likewise, if you have any challenge, to type your question there as well, and I'll surely get back to you. Click the link below and let's rock and roll. Until I catch you again, it's a bye-bye for now.